Hi Hugh, Phil Beever here from the Wilderness Club. Quick recap on our lesson today. So let's have a look at your swing here on the left. This is one of the first shots of your lesson. We can see a backswing is as good as usual. Okay, nice position there at the top. When you start down, you're going to see this very first move wants to move this way, which is slightly over the top. And it's just your shoulders, Hugh, dominate the swing a little bit too much. Now we can see as you start coming down, the shaft is almost vertical coming into the ball, so it's like an axe, and now we can see the shaft is way over to the right coming into the golf ball at this angle. Now the club is coming only but left and across the ball, promoting quite a weak cut or slice, which is why he wasn't striking it quite as well. Really easy. Every time you go and practice, you just got to use a workstation, you know. So look at the swing here on the right. It says you driver at the end. We can see we've got an alignment stick for where we're aiming. So we can see we're aiming down up in this quadrant here at the blue post. We've got a head cover on the outside of the ball. It starts in line with the ball and then goes backwards, so i.e. this way. And then we did put a head cover eventually on the inside of the ball. So you'd have like a little triangle there and that way. And that's trying to promote you, Hugh, to swing out this way. Now you can see with the head cover on the outside, we fix that downswing. Hugely different as we come down. Look at the shaft now, it's at 45 degrees. It cuts through your right forearm as opposed to this swing here on the left. If we look at the same position there, I mean, look at the difference. Unbelievable how much that's improved here on the right. That's purely from that head cover, just staying on the outside. Coming into the ball, we can see now the club head is always tracking from the left, so it is tracking that way. Which is great, but look at how quickly, when you make contact with the ball now, you're going to see how very quickly your club works left through this impact zone. So if we go now, bang, look how much it's pulling across. So even though the club is attacking the ball beautifully from the inside, when you get to the ball, you want to pull across it. And that's because your brain doesn't want to start the ball right, because obviously all your bad shots go to the right. But we've got to get the feeling. The more we start the ball right, the straighter the shot. So really feel like you're swinging into out for me, Hugh, and we get some great shapes and shots. Even these little ones where you pull across, you're ripping it and you're hitting it at good distance, but they're just cutting maybe 5 or 6 yards with driver. But I definitely feel you could improve that by putting just another object just on the inside and swing away through there, and that would tidy everything up. Thanks a lot, Hugh, and work on that, and we'll see some great results. Thank you.